My name is Jim Ames. As an artist and teacher, I found that the traditional color wheel primers using red, yellow, and blue was confusing and did not allow me to mix correct colors. For instance, red and blue made a muddy purple, and artists had to buy a tube of purple paint to get the correct color. By understanding the way my computer mixed colors and analyzing many paints by viewing swatches of them through a prism, I came to believe the true primary colors are magenta, yellow, and cyan. Every color on the color wheel comes from various proportions of these three primaries. Understanding this basic rule makes mixing color easy. Notice how these three colors, when brought together, mix to make the secondary hues red and green. It makes black when all three are mixed together. Now let's return to our first slide of magenta, yellow, and cyan and move these three primaries into a color wheel grouping. The overlap of these three primaries shows them making the three secondary colors red, green, and purple, with black in the center, which is all three overlap. Let's add the 12 colors to the color wheel and show how each color is made from proportions of magenta, yellow, and/or cyan. They're called pure hues, which consist of a mixture of one or two primaries but will never have a third primary in its composition. It's important to understand what a pure hue is in order to mix color. The three primary hues are called magenta, yellow, and cyan. Notice each of the primaries consists of just one pure hue. There are three secondary hues which are called red, green, and purple. Notice each of the secondary pure hues consists of two primary colors at full strength. Tertiaries has six pure hues. They are orange, lime green, turquoise, blue, mauve, and cherry red. A tertiary pure hue has a 2-to-1 ratio. Consists of one primary at full strength and a second primary at 50% saturation. Let's return to the full slide of the 12-color proportional color wheel and peel back the page to show you what I call the tertiary color wheel. Every color on this color wheel is a pure hue. The Ames Color Wheel is based on the tertiary color wheel. The front looks like this, and the back side is a color chart showing the 12 tertiary colors with tints and shades of 10% increments. The Ames Color Wheel is available on the website JimAmesColorTheory.com for $12.50, which includes shipping and handling.